If you're watching this, there's a good chance something feels off. Maybe you're tired all the time, even though you're sleeping enough. Maybe your workouts aren't hitting like they used to. Maybe your motivation is just gone, like someone turned down the dimmer switch on your entire life. Let me tell you something crazy. Testosterone levels in men have been dropping for decades. We're not talking about a small dip. Studies show that the average man today has about 20 to 30% less testosterone than a man the same age had in the 1980s. Let me say that again. Your dad at 30 probably had way more testosterone than you do at 30. And your grandpa, forget about it. And this isn't just about muscles or masculinity or whatever. This is about energy, mental clarity, confidence, drive, your ability to handle stress, your metabolism, your mood. Testosterone affects literally everything about how you function as a human being. So, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why this is happening, what low testosterone actually does to you, and most importantly, how to fix it naturally. No injections or sketchy supplements. I will share just real actionable stuff you can start doing today. Let's get into it. Now, what testosterone actually does. First, let's clear something up. Testosterone isn't just about being manly or building muscle. That's like 10% of the story. Testosterone is one of your body's master hormones. It affects your energy levels and motivation, your ability to build and maintain muscle, your metabolism and how you store fat, your bone density, your mood and mental health, your cognitive function, focus, memory, decision-making, your sex drive and performance, your confidence and assertiveness, your sleep quality, your cardiovascular health. When your testosterone is in a healthy range, you feel like yourself. You wake up with energy, you handle stress better, you're motivated to go after goals, you recover from workouts, you feel present in your relationships. And when it's low, everything becomes harder. It's like trying to run your entire life on 60% battery all the time. So why is this happening to so many guys? It's not one thing. It's like a perfect storm of modern life actively working against your hormones. I'm going to share 7 things that are making you weaker and lowering your testosterone. And you need all of them to understand the full picture. Let me break it down. 1. We're not moving enough. Your body produces testosterone in response to physical demand. When you lift heavy things, when you sprint, when you challenge your muscles, your body goes, oh, we need to be stronger, better make more testosterone. But most guys today sit a lot. Office job, commute, couch, repeat. There's research from the University of Chicago showing that sedentary men have significantly lower testosterone than active men of the same age. Your body doesn't need high testosterone if you're not doing anything that requires it. 2. We're fatter than ever. Here's something most people don't know. Fat tissue, especially belly fat, contains an enzyme called aromatase. And aromatase converts testosterone into estrogen. So the more fat you carry, the more testosterone you're actively converting into estrogen. The average man today carries about 20 to 30 pounds more body fat than men did 50 years ago. That's literally a testosterone killing machine sitting on your midsection. 3. We're sleeping like garbage. Most of your testosterone production happens while you sleep, specifically during deep sleep. A study from the Journal of the American Medical Association found that men who slept 5 hours a night had 10 to 15% lower testosterone than men who slept 8 hours after just 1 week. And how many guys do you know who are actually getting quality sleep? Between screens, stress, caffeine, and hustle culture telling you to sleep less, most men are chronically sleep deprived. 4. Stress. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship. When one goes up, the other goes down. Think about it evolutionarily. When you're being chased by a lion, your body doesn't care about building muscle or reproduction. It cares about survival, so it pumps out cortisol and shuts down testosterone production. Problem is, modern life feels like being chased by a lion all the time. Work stress, financial stress, social media anxiety, traffic, news. It never stops. 5 endocrine disruptors. This is the scary one that nobody talks about enough. We're surrounded by chemicals that mess with our hormones. They're called endocrine disruptors, and they're in plastics, pesticides, personal care products, receipts, food packaging, tap water, literally everywhere. Things like BPA, folate, parabens, and atrazine mimic estrogen in your body and block testosterone. One study found that men exposed to high levels of folate had testosterone levels 20% lower than men with low exposure. Why? You're basically microdosing estrogen every single day without knowing it. 6. Our diets are terrible. Highly processed foods, sugar, vegetable oils, soy-heavy diets, low-fat diets, all of this impacts testosterone. Your body needs healthy fats and cholesterol to make testosterone. When the low-fat diet craze hit in the 80s and 90s, testosterone levels started tanking. 7. We're on our phones and laptops all day. There's emerging research suggesting that electromagnetic fields from phones and Wi-Fi might impact testosterone. A study published in Reproductive Biology and Endocrinology found that men who carried their phones in their pockets had lower testosterone. And even if you don't buy the EMF stuff, think about what screen time represents. Sitting, not moving, staying up late, being stressed, blue light disrupting sleep, it all adds up. Now, how to fix it naturally? Alright, let's talk about solutions. Real practical stuff you can do. I'm going to share 8 steps to naturally boost your testosterone, and each one really matters, so pay close attention. If you follow them, you can actually make a noticeable difference. Let's get into it. Step 1. Lift heavy things. This is non-negotiable. You need to do resistance training, specifically compound movement, squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows, overhead press. There's a massive study from the European Journal of Applied Physiology showing that heavy resistance training significantly boosts testosterone. You don't need to be a bodybuilder, but you need to challenge your muscles 3 to 4 times a week. Progressive overload, meaning you're gradually lifting heavier or doing more reps over time. Step 2, do short intense cardio. Long steady-state cardio actually raises cortisol and can lower testosterone, but short bursts of intense exercise is a game changer. Sprint intervals, hill sprints, HIIT workouts, these spike testosterone and growth hormone. Step 3, fix your sleep. This might be the most important one. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Here's how to fix it. Make your room completely dark using blackout curtains and cover any LEDs. Keep the room cool around 65 to 68 degrees. Fahrenheit is ideal. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed because blue light kills melatonin. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. There's no supplement, no workout, nothing that will matter if you're not sleeping. Step 4. Manage your stress. You can't remove stress from life, but you can manage it in simple ways that actually work. A daily 20 to 30 minute walk outside helps calm your nervous system and lower stress hormones. Even 10 minutes of meditation a day helps you reset mentally. And learning to say no more often protects your energy more than people realize. In fact, a study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that men who practiced stress reduction techniques had about 25% higher testosterone than those who didn't. Step 5. Eat like you give a damn. What you eat literally builds your hormones. So, small changes can make a big difference. Add more healthy fats like whole eggs, avocados, olive oil, fatty fish, and nuts. Red meat gives you zinc and B vitamins, while cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts help balance estrogen. Oysters and other shellfish are zinc powerhouses, and pomegranates have even been shown to boost testosterone by up to 24% in just 2 weeks. At the same time, cut back on sugar, processed carbs, alcohol, soy, vegetable oils, and processed foods. These can all lower testosterone or disrupt hormones and make sure you're getting key nutrients too. Step 6. Lose the belly fat. Remember what I said about aromatase? You need to reduce that fat mass. You don't need abs, but you need to get your body fat down to a healthier range. For most men, that's 15 to 20%. Combine the strength training, the diet, the sleep, it'll happen. Be patient, but consistent. Step 7. Reduce endocrine disruptors. This is all about avoiding everyday things that can mess with your hormones. You don't have to go overboard, just small changes that add up. Drink from glass or stainless steel instead of plastic. And don't microwave food in plastic containers. When you can, choose organic for the fruits and veggies that usually have the most pesticides. Filter your water if possible and switch to natural personal care products. The EWG website can help you check what's safe. You can't eliminate every chemical, but reducing exposure where you can makes a real difference. Step 8. Get sunlight. Vitamin D is crucial for testosterone. Your body makes it from sun exposure. Get 20 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily if possible on your skin, not through a window. Early morning or late afternoon is best. If you live somewhere with no sun half the year, supplement with D3. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. This requires work. Changing your lifestyle isn't easy. But here's what I want you to understand. Low testosterone doesn't just make you feel bad. It increases your risk of depression, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, and cognitive decline as you age. This isn't vanity. This is your long-term health. So here's what you're gonna do. Pick 3 things from this video. Just 3. Start there. Do those consistently for 8 weeks. Then add more. Your energy will come back. Your focus will sharpen. You'll feel like yourself again. Now go do the work. And if you're still here, I want to tell you this, bro. I love you. This was Liss, Brine, and I see you in the next video.